Hello and welcome to Exercise 155 Health and Wellness. My name is Dr. Aaron Von Lindern. Feel free to call me Dr. Von Lindern or Aaron, whichever you feel most comfortable with. I'm here to help guide you through the material this semester. I made this video to try to help orient you to our Blackboard shell. This is the landing page that'll come up. It's the announcements page. I'll put new announcements up here regularly, so check this regularly to see what's going on. You can also get to it by clicking this link right here. You'll spend most of your time in the weekly assignments module page here, so we'll click in here. Each week you'll get a module. On the front of the module, we'll have some information. This week is a little bit longer since it's your first week, so you'll have this here. Most of them will look just like this one down here, where it'll show what assignments you're going to be doing that week, and what you can expect, how much time you can expect to spend on them. So this information here you can also find in our schedule, which I'll show you in a little bit. So when you go to the module, this is the front of the module, you'll click into the module and it'll take you through all of the different stuff. So you can either click through it on the side here or you can click this next button and it'll take you through here sequentially. Another good tool down here is our syllabus schedule. This is where you can find our course syllabus, which is your first assignment. You'll read through the course syllabus and make sure you understand what's going on in there. I'll also make a video about the course syllabus that I'll post separately from this one as well. But it has the course syllabus and the course schedule. You can open them by clicking here on this to make it full screen, or you can download the file and open it that way as well. So we have our course schedule down here as well. And the course schedule you can see is labeled out by each week. This is a good thing to go to in case you want to, let's open it up here, in case you want to look and see what's coming up in the week. So I've got the whole semester laid out here with what we're going to be doing each week and what's going to be due each week. All right, so that's our schedule. Below here is the faculty information tab. This is a tab where you can find my email. You can also find a little bit about me. I put a little bio here also with my contact information. So my email, the phone number, the office phone. During COVID, I've kind of been in and out of the office, so you can call me on the office phone, or I also have this other cell phone number that you can reach me at as well. I can also receive text message on this cell phone, so if you want to use that, you're welcome to do that as well. Email is probably the most efficient way, unless you need to chat about something. My office is in the A-Pin building, which is on the Ada County campus. And then my office hours, our Zoom office hours for the time being, are going to be Monday, Wednesday, 11 to noon. Or if you want to make an appointment outside of that, I'm happy to make an appointment with you. And we can meet either virtually in the Zoom office, or we can set up a time to meet in the office location as well, whichever is easiest for you guys. All right. Other than that, the rest of these buttons down here are just quick links to things that you can access through your weekly assignment modules. So if you want to quickly go to the ethics module or to our behavior change project when we get there, our ethics project, you can find these quick links helpful, so you don't have to go back into the week's module to figure out, where, was that in week 2 or week 3, So that's there for you as well. The last tool I want to show you here is the Mcgraw-Hill Higher Education tool. This is how we'll access our textbook. And so this is one of your first assignments this week too. If you click on here, it'll take you out to an outside section, the Mcgraw-Hill Connect section. If you go out to the Connect section, you will see, as it's coming up here, that you will be able to sign up for this. All right, and then once you get out to the Connect section, there'll be a lot of different things that will show for you that are out there. And I'm going to pause this here real quick and then pull that up. So once you're registered for your Mcgraw-Hill Connect site, this is what will show for you. It may look a little bit different for you since this is the instructor view. The student view might just look a little bit different. Let's see if we can actually look and see what it looks like in a student view. Yeah, and so the student view, it'll have all of the assignments that are coming up. These ones where it says right here, Chapter 1, Self, Family, and Community, these are our textbooks. So our textbook reading is a kind of an interactive reading while you'll do these smart book activities along with the reading to check your reading comprehension. And so make sure you're going all the way through the end of the smart book activity to get credit for your reading that week. And then along with each reading, there's going to be a quiz that goes with the chapter, and then an online lab that goes with it as well. So you can see all of those things. Let's go ahead and go back to our Blackboard. All right, so that is our Blackboard shell. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you out and help you guide you through the material. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great semester. I look forward to working with all of you, and I look forward to seeing your guys' videos and learning a little bit about each and every one of you guys. So have a great semester, and we'll see you as we go.